Hello.
Hello.
Okay. All right. What we're gonna do today, do you remember the last lesson that we went over?
Yeah.
What was it about?
About shapes. About 3D shapes, I think, and some shapes.
Okay. Well, we went over 2D shapes last time. Remember?
Yeah.
What did you use to build the 2D shapes with?
Some rectangles, some squares.
Okay. Really, you don't remember what we used?
Straws.
The straws. Yeah. There you go. You remember.
And I got the great tactic that I did.
Yeah. You
Still,
sure did.
I know my great tactic, but I did it with my marker.
Okay, so last time we did 2D shapes, and then we ended the lesson with introducing a 3D shape, and we did something with the oranges. Do you remember what we did with the oranges?
Yes, we made some juice.
Yes, we made orange juice. What 3D shape is an orange?
Huh?
What 3D shape is an orange?
Oh, sphere.
A sphere, there you go. So, like, tell me, what's the difference between, like, 2D shapes and 3D shapes?
Well, 3D shapes are like 3D. 3D shapes are more like us.
Like us?
Yes, and 2D shapes are like flattened.
Oh, okay, so 2D
Flat.
shapes are flat, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so, for example, like, if I was to grab, like a piece of paper right here?
Yeah, it would be flat. It would be flat. It would be a 2D shape.
Okay. What if I grab that paper, but I made it into...
That would be like a 3D shape into a sphere. That would be a sphere in 3D.
Okay. So what do you think the main difference is?
So the main differences is that they look different. Like the 3D shape, you can see it more, and the 2D shape, you can only see the front of it.
Okay, I see. So with a 3D shape, if it has like a whole bunch of different sides, you can grab it and like turn it over and stuff, right?
Yeah, but with the 2D shape, you can only see it like in two sides. One side and the other.
Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do today is we're going to review 3D shapes, and then what you're going to do is you're going to build 3 different 3D shapes using toothpicks and Play-Doh.
Okay, this is going to be hard.
So that way...
How many?
3 different shapes.
Okay, can you just...
Yes.
No. Look.
So yeah, and if you're able to like make some more, then that'd be perfectly fine. Yeah, you can go ahead and put the Play-Doh on there. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna use BrainPop to watch a little video about 3D shapes, and then we're gonna actually build the shapes. And then when you're finished, you're gonna take a little BrainPop quiz, and then we're also gonna play a game on BrainPop.
Gotcha. Good.
Okay, so since I'm using the laptop for the video, we're gonna watch the BrainPop on here.
Wow, Moby, that looks sorry, Moby. I think you dropped this. What is a cube? A cube is a solid shape. It has 6 faces or flat sides. The faces on a cube are all squares. There are 12 edges where the faces meet, and there are 8 vertices or corners. Plenty of things are shaped like cubes, like an ice cube, a number cube, or a box of tissues. What is a rectangular prism? Just like a cube, a rectangular prism has 12 edges. corners are vertices. You're right, Moby. These solid shapes both have 6 faces. But most faces of a rectangular prism are shaped like rectangles. And all the faces on a cube are squares. Tons of things are shaped like rectangular prisms, like a juice box, radio, and even a thin piece of paper. Some buildings are shaped like rectangular prisms too. What is a pyramid? This pyramid has 8 edges and 5 vertices or corners. There are 5 faces and 4 of them are shaped like triangles. The base is the face on the bottom. The base of this pyramid is square. But I've definitely seen pyramids with bases that are different shapes. I guess the sides of any pyramid are triangles, and they all meet at one vertex. When I think of pyramids, I think of the Great Pyramids of Egypt. What is a cylinder? It has no vertices and a curved surface. 2 faces on a cylinder are circles. A cylinder can roll. A can of tuna, a penny, and a spool of thread are all cylinders. You know what's really cool? The curved part of a cylinder is actually a rolled up rectangle. What is a cone? A cone is a solid figure with one face, which is at its base. It's shaped like a circle. It has one vertex and a curved surface. A funnel, a traffic cone, and an ice cream cone are all cones. There's one more solid shape here. What is a sphere? A sphere has no faces, no edges, and no vertices. It's curved and round, so a sphere can roll. A ball, marble, globe, and an orange are all spheres. Sorry about the mess, Moby. Hey!
Alright. So that's the video for Brain Pop. In a little bit, we are going to...
Let's go for the easy quiz and then for the hard quiz.
Okay, but not yet, because we gotta build the shapes first.
Yeah.
So, I want you to build 3 shapes. Now, if you want one of them, you can use like just Play-Doh if you need to. But 2 of the shapes for sure, use 2.
Yeah, sure, I'll make one. I'm just gonna make one right now. So it's gonna be so easy to make just the first one. Just have to roll it up and blah blah, and there you have a sphere.
So this is the sphere, the first shape.
Now I'm gonna try and make a cube. I'm just gonna roll it up into a ball first.
Now, for example, here, let me give you a little example of how I would build a pyramid. If I was to do like this.
I think I got it. Here is the cube. I did the cube. Just with my bare fingers.
That's good.
Third one.
Now, look at how I'm gonna build this pyramid right
Where's
here.
the other? Where's the Where's the where's the hey.
Yes.
Where's the first one? The first.
you see, you can do something like this right here. And then at the top, you would put the Play-Doh and make the top shape.
Where's the first shape?
I mean, to make the top vertice.
Where's the first shape?
Well, you can pick whatever shape you want.
No, where's the first shape that I made?
Oh, right here.
Oh. I'll just leave it there. Now for the last one, I'm going to make it with yellow. Okay. Okay, what shall I make? I'll try and make...
Now here, try using the toothpicks too.
What else could I make? I don't know what I made.
What were the shapes that they went over? They went over the sphere. What else?
Here. I could try and make one that looks like this one, but different from the rectangular prism. But I'm gonna need more Play-Doh for that. So make it even bigger. Why do you have an egg on your head? An egg. Oh. This is how people should make stuff. Just like how I'm doing right now. Simple. I don't know why people use those clay things to do this stuff. So easy. Do with the bare hands. So easy. I don't know why people do that. Okay, there it is.
Okay, so far just using the Play-Doh by itself. You have the cube, you have
the rectangular prism,
and this was a
sphere.
Okay, we'll try to build one using the toothpicks, kind of like the one that I built right here.
Okay. What can I build? I mean, I can build the cone because these do not curve. They can't curve.
Okay.
But I could make a curve with the Play-Doh. I might have a plan here. I use the Play-Doh to curve, I think. Oh, no. Don't break. I need to make it fair. Like a little. Oh! I'll just make it like very little-ish. Very little. Okay. So almost finished. I'll just get some 3 of them. I just got 3. Go. Now I need a ball. Up.
There you go. So right there you made a
sphere.
A sphere?
Yeah. No, not a sphere, a cone.
A cone. How many vertices does a cone have? How many vertices does a cone have? 1. And so, do you remember what the vertices are? What are the vertices? What are the vertices?
What are the vertices?
You were right, it has 1 vertice. So, what are they? Do you remember what the video said the vertices were?
They're on the top of it?
They are where the edges meet, right? So
yeah.
They're like the corners.
Yeah, it was a corner.
Okay.
I just used our corners. So just put this vertice on because I was trying to make it more like a... There we go. That's better.
There you go.
There we go.
Make 1 more.
What? Okay. Now which one? What's here? Oh, just gonna have some Play-Doh. Break that. Okay, what should I make? I'm thinking so much. Ooh, I'm gonna make a bigger. I'm gonna make this little guy into a bigger one.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna need these little Play-Dohs done right there. This little Play-Doh to be right there. Let's do some. That's better. That's all. This little Play-Doh right there. Calm down, little Play-Dohs. Be alright. This one right here. Okay. Taking too much time. Okay. A little. Maybe because it's taking forever. A little bit of time. A little bit of time. There we go. Actually, let's make a rectangular prism. I'll crap and go for a rectangle. Ooh, that's good. That's a good one. That's good. So, there we go. That's better. Okay.
There you
We're making something. Making something. Here we go. Okay. I will stick this up. Stick this up in there. I think that's sticked up right. Yeah, that's sticked up there. Yeah. Oh yes. Yes, yes, yes. Ah, that is some more. Okay, we're almost finished. We need some more blue Play-Doh so everything can stick properly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yes, that's very good. Good Play-Doh. And I got some Play-Doh skills.
You do?
Some Play-Doh skills.
Play-Doh skills.
That's too big. Try not to make the Play-Doh balls very big. Although it will break. Or it might break. Gotta be very careful about this. Okay. Need this one here to here. Almost finished. Ah, crap! I made this into a little. Okay, almost finished. Just need two more. That's it. And that's Snoopy. Huh? Where's Snoopy? Thought I felt Snoopy like his tail right here. Finished!
Ah,
Here it
that's
is.
nice.
There it is.
That's real nice.
I had to be very careful making this, because if I had one big one up here, it would just all fall down, like not stick very good. Hold on.
Okay, so how many vertices does this shape? Okay, first of all, what shape is this?
It's a cube.
It's a cube. How many vertices does this cube have?
It has 8.
Mm-hmm.
My C is not working for me.
So pretty much wherever there's a Play-Doh ball on any of those, on any of these shapes, it's going to be a what?
A vertice.
There you go. All right.
Like this one has 4 Play-Doh balls. This one has 1 Play-Doh ball.
Well, this one has 4.
Yeah, that one has 4.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5. I got some messed up. That's because I thought the round was 3 because I was getting so messed up about the one that doesn't have this one.
Okay. Alright, well, we built these shapes. Now, let's take that quiz.
First, the easy quiz, then the hard one. I am taking up those quizzes to see if I am great enough.
You go ahead and you choose the one that you want to do first.
Okay, I'll just go into the easy quiz.
Okay, read them out loud.
Which is the shape of a can of soup? These guys think I'm stupid. Yes!
And what was the correct shape?
It was cylinder.
Mm-hmm.
Which shape has the most faces? Ooh. Cone, sphere. The sphere has no faces. Cone has one face. Cylinder has two.
Here you go.
Q has the most faces. Which shape has no edges or corners? Of course, it would be a sphere. Which shape makes up the faces of cube? What? Which shape makes up the faces of cube? Of a cube? Oh. Yes. Yes.
What shape was that?
It was a square.
There you go.
Which item is shaped like a rectangular prism? Rectangular prism. Ah, of course, it would be the aquarium. Okay, you got 5 out of 5 correct. Enter your name to save your score. Oh, should I enter my real name?
Yeah, you can put whatever name you want.
Okay, I'll just put Israel. Let's finish. Okay, now let's go for back. And let's go for the hard quiz now.
Alright, so you're gonna take the hard quiz now.
How many vertices does this box have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 8.
Here you go.
Okay. What shapes make up the faces? Oh, okay. So 1 square and 4 triangles. 4 triangles. Yes. Yes!
That was what makes up the faces of a rectangular.
1 square and 4 triangles.
Of a pyramid, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which shape has most edges? Has the most edges? Okay, has most edges. This one has no edges. This one has 8. That one has 8. Wait, I messed up. This one has 8. This one has no. This one has none equal. So it would probably be that one. It was a rectangular prism. Which item has 6 faces? Ooh, this one has 2. This one has 6 of them.
Mm-hmm.
This one gives me curious. I don't know which one is this one. What kind of shape is that? Of course, it would be the rectangular prism.
It looks like a cone, that one that you were pointing at.
Oh. Then I almost clicked it for accident. Okay. Which block should Moby put at the bottom of his tower? Probably not this one because it'll fall. This one would fall. This one would fall as well. Yes! It was a rectangular prism. Woo!
Alright, you got 5 out of 5 again.
Stop. Hard quiz day. Hard quiz. Crap you hard quiz.
Okay, now this is the game. It's called Belly Up.
Belly up. Okay. I heard Snail's friend is visiting. Snail's friend is visiting. Yup, she's from out of town. She's from Egypt? Where is she from? She's from Egypt? Okay, I don't get it. What do I have to do?
I thought it was a game, but it's like a little comic. It's like a little joke. Let me see.
I think it's pop joke. Pop joke. Okay, belly up. Okay, features, geometry, math, geometry, and solid shapes.
What did I say right there?
What's the coolest solid shape?
Push it.
What's the coolest? What's the coolest solid shape? There's no shapes here.
Push it right here.
What's the coolest solid shape?
An ice cube. How is that so funny?
What's the coolest solid shape? An ice cube.
What? I don't get it.
You don't get it?
No, I don't get it.
Okay. I was thinking that there was a game on here, but I'm thinking that I saw that and I thought it was a game, but it's not a game.
Oh.
Oh, anyways. Okay, so Isla, what can you tell me about 3D shapes?
3D shapes are solid figures, and some have faces, some don't, some have vertices, some don't.
Okay. And what's the difference between a 3D shape and a 2D shape?
A 3D shape is you can see everything, like the sides and the back of it. And 2D shape is flat. You can only see the back and the front.
Okay, and right here, the shape that you had built, and the one that I built, what shape is this?
That's a cube.
A cube.
No, not a prism. It's a pyramid.
Pyramid.
And a cone.
Cone.
Rectangular prism and a cube.
And a cube.
And I made the sphere down here.
Oh yeah, that's right. You made the sphere right here. Alright, well,
Finished.
we got done a little bit quicker than what I anticipated, but that's not exactly a bad thing because
It
you were
was
good
27,
with
31, 32, 33.
So, Isra, thank you, and I hope you had fun and learned a little something about shapes. Give me 5.